How to request a refund on Mercari. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can request a refund on Mercari. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is for you to log in into your Mercari's account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged into your account and you're brought to your own page, the next step would be for you to move to the right side of the screen. By the right side of the screen, you would not see sign up or login. Instead, you would see your profile icon. Once you see this, just click on your profile icon. Then in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you locate the option order history. All right, the order history. Click on it, and then once you click on it, you'll be taken to your order history page. So once you're on this page, locate the item that you would like to return amongst the items that you've ordered in the past. And so after locating the item, click on the item. On the items page, you'll see the option request refund or request return. All right, so once you return an item, you'll be able to request for a refund. So by clicking on request a return, some prompt will be displayed on the screen asking you why you want to return the object. You may even be asked to upload images of the object to know if the object is in a bad condition or whatever. And then once it has been reviewed, you will be asked to attach the shipping label of Mercari to the item and then return the item. So after returning the item, your refund will be processed and you get your money back. That is a major way of how you can request a refund on Mercari. But if you don't want to go through that route, you can also decide to reach out to the customer support. And how do you do so? Scroll down to the last part of your own page on your Mercari's account, and then you'll see the support tab. Just under the tab, click on contact us, and then you'll be taken to the contact us page. On this page, you can see contact us. You can find answers to most questions, and so once you can see that, just go ahead and check out articles that have addressed questions that you might ask, that you might have. And for each article, depending on how serious the case is, you have an option for you to send an email to Mercari or for you to chat directly with their agents on your account. So once you chat them up, tell them that okay, you want to return your item and you want a refund, and the refund process would be made known to you. Follow the procedures and your money would be received. So that is it. Thank you for watching and go get your money back today.